Hello, my name is Slade Sackman. I'm here at the MarineMax in Fort Myers, Florida. And this morning I'm showing you one of our Boston Whaler 19-foot Montauks. The Montauks are probably the most iconic design and look of a Boston Whaler throughout its over 60-year history. This is the second largest Montauk that they make. The 19-footer is extremely capable, very utilitarian by design, and can take many of your friends out on the boat and have a very easy cleanup at the end of the day. I will walk you inside the vessel here in a moment to show you some of its features and benefits. So enjoy. Once aboard our 19-foot Boston Whaler Montauk, you'll notice the helm is very simply laid out with a 9-inch Raymarine display, stereo, fusion head. You have your powder-coated canvas T-top, adjustable leaning posts with a live well underneath it. As you move to the back of the boat, you have two jump seats that do have backrests that insert into the rod holders, and of course our 150 Mercury outboard engine. As we slowly walk to the front, you'll see tremendous storage underneath the bow with a fish box and an anchor well and a trolling motor panel. We also have a cooler with backrest and cushion for comfort. Please feel free to come by our location on McGregor Boulevard in Fort Myers, Florida. Again, my name is Slade Sackman at MarineMax Fort Myers, 239-229-8862, and enjoy the pictures.